Guys, I wanted to show you this massager that I received from the company. I have a bunch of different massagers right now, and this one has become my favorite. I do play sports and I work out sometimes, and I have really sore muscles. I have sciatica as well as some like tight muscles in my leg and my back, and I find that this helps so much. And what makes this one different than other ones is that this attachment right here, you can turn on and make either hot or cold. So this is an attachment, it comes off, and then you can use it to massage after it heats up. It feels like a heating pad. It's not like going to burn you or anything. Like you can put it directly on your skin and use it, but it does feel warm. So I find that it helps my muscles just like loosen up because of that heat. Or then after I play sports, if my muscles are sore, I can put it on the cold and it will get cold, like almost as if it was in the refrigerator. And I find that that really does help my muscles as well. It has like a really nice grip right here, so it's easy to hold. It's rechargeable right here. You can recharge it as well. It will tell you on this screen if it's charged and then what attachment you have on it. It has different levels. It goes up to 5 intensities, so it gets pretty intense for a massager. It does come with this really nice case, like so you can travel with it or store it. It's like a hard case and it has all the different attachments that you might want. Like I do use this one to really get in deep as well as these different pieces. So if you're looking for a massager, I would try this one if you have like sore muscles because of this heating and cooling feature that's definitely different and makes it stand out comparative to other ones.